Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can easily create a table for your WordPress website. Firstly, I will guide for Gutenberg Block Editor. After that, Classic Editor. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I want to visit my all post section. After that, I want to open this post in Gutenberg Block Editor. So, after this headline, health benefit of orange, I want to add a table here. So, how I can add this? If you give a enter for line break, then you will find a plus icon add block. So, I am clicking on add block. After that, you should search here with table. You will get this block. It's a table block from WordPress by default. So I am selecting this table, and right now it's asking how many column would be and how many row. So as a test, I am giving 4 column and 3 row. So click on create table. So my table already created. After creating table, you will click on anywhere of the table. After that, in the right side, block option will be available. So from here, you can customize your table as per your expectation. So I am going to show you one by one. So first option is fixed with table cell. So if you want table cell, I mean this fixed with, then you can select it. If you don't want fixed width, for example, what would be the text size, that table cell will be that size. So I am showing an example right now. If I write anything here, health, I'm writing here health, I am writing here health benefit, and I am writing here health benefit of orange, or only a. Okay, I'm giving save. So if I give a refresh here, you see which cell only have a, that cell with, and which cell has lots of word, its cell size is same. So if you want to make it dynamic, like which cell have small word or small size text, that cell will be that size, it will automatically adjust. So if I deselect this option fixed with table cell, I don't want fixed with, so I am deselecting it and giving a save, and here I am going to give a refresh. You see which cell has a small text, that cell size is small. Which cell has big text, that cell size is big. So that means it's automatically adjusting with your text size. So if you wish, you can use this one. I added few sample data here. So if I save and give a refresh here, you see it's saying name, age, email, phone, and below all of the data I am giving, but all are showing the same. There has no header. So if we want header section, then we can enable this section. Then in our table, header will be enabled. After that, I can transfer these things on header, then it will look more professional. So I am transferring it and I am showing what's the difference now. If I give a refresh, you see it's a header. So by this way, you can enable header for your table. Okay, if I come to the next section, that is the footer section. If your table you need to keep the footer, then you can enable it, otherwise you can disable it. Okay, now come to the right side of this side. If I click here, this is the style. Right now I am using the default table and this table output is like this. So if I want to get the stripe table, if I select it and I'm going to give a save, and if I give a refresh here, you see now it looks like a stripe table. After that, I can change the text color, I can change the background color. So if I want to change the text color to this accent color, you select it and all of the text of the table will be the same color. And if you want the background color, then you can select a background color and your full table background will be the same color. I'm going to give a save and give a refresh here. You see it's showing the text color and it's showing the background color. And if you want to make your table data align center, for example, age, I want to age align center, like 38 will be align center. Then just click on that age. After that, click here. It's the alignment. So just click here and make align center. So your all of the data will be align center. After that, if you want to change or customize the text, I mean typography, so you should come this option and from here you can customize the font, text, everything. For example, I want to make the text size medium. So just click on medium, your text size will be medium. Or if you wish, you can make your text size like pixel, 30 pixel, 20 pixel. How you can find it? Just you have to click here. So click here. After that, here you can write like 30. Your text will be 30 pixel. So this is the way. I'm making it 24. So it's 24. And if you click here, three dot, you can customize lots of things. If you click on appearance, you can give appearance like thin, extra light, bold. Like if I select the bold, all of the text will be the bold. If I select the thin, all of the text will be thin. And from here, if you go one by one, like letter spacing, so if I want to give letter spacing like 20, you see all of the character giving 20 pixel spacing. So you can minimize it and adjust it. So this is the way. And if I come to the next option, line height, so if you wish, you can increase the line height, then your table line height will be increase or decrease. If you wish, you can click on minus, then it will be decrease. And next come to the decoration. So in the decoration section, if you want to make underline anything, just select it, it will be underlined. If you want to give strike through, just click here, it will be strike through. Now come to the letter case is the last option in typography section. So if I select letter case, then I will get couple of options. If I want, I can make all of my text inside the table in uppercase, just a single click. You see, if I click here, all of the text are now uppercase. If you want to make it lowercase, click here. If you want to make it capitalize, click here. By clicking here, all are capitalized. Now come to the border option. This border option is very helpful for the stripe design. And for the default design, there has already a border. So if I select default design and save and view post, you see there has already a border. But if we select the stripe and give a save, and I'm giving a refresh here, you see there has no border. So for the stripe, if you want to give a border, this feature is very handy for that time. So I am giving a border 2 pixel and save, and I'm giving a refresh. You see, for the stripe design there has border, and if you wish you can customize this border by clicking here. If you click this option, and below you will get the three option. Do you want to make the border solid, which one is already right now? But if you want dashed border, just select it, your border will be dashed. If you want dotted border, just select here, your border will be dotted. So save and give a refresh. You see, your border is showing the dotted. So by following these things, you can make table on your WordPress Gutenberg Block Editor. For the default and stripe design, there has basic thing is when I select the default design, there has only one background. But if I select the stripe design, there has two background. I mean even number showing the one background and odd number showing the another background. So which one you like, you can use. Now come to the classic editor. I will show how you can create a table in classic editor. Now I am going to open the same post in classic editor. After that, you see in classic editor there has no preset table system. So if I want to add any table, I have to use a plugin. So I am going to my plugin section first. I am clicking on add new plugin and search here with advanced editor tool. So this is the plugin. Install now, activate. After activation, I have to go to the settings of that plugin. So I am clicking on settings. As I want to use this plugin for classic editor, so directly I am clicking on classic editor. After that, I have to check is it enabled for the classic editor or not. So by default it's already enabled, but for your website if you get these things disabled, then you must need to enable these things, and rest of the things are perfect by default. Which option they enable, those are okay. But if you want to check every option, you can check, and if you need to anything customization, you can use those feature also. Now I am on this post section. Right now in this toolbar there has no table option. So I am going to give a refresh and let's see what's the change I got from that plugin. Firstly, you see there has an option for the table and few more option also coming from that plugin. So I want to create a table now. So where you want to place the table, firstly click there. So as I want to create table after this headline, so I am giving an enter. Now my mouse is here blinking. After that I have to click on this option. So clicking here, after that you have to hover on this table option. So after hovering you will get this option, and now I am selecting the table column and row number 4:3. This is my table, and if I write something here, for example name is email phone, I'm writing the data here. So those are the sample data I already written here. So I am going to give a update. After that, view the post. You see, this is the table, but unfortunately there has no border. So without border, a table it's not looks good. So I need to customize this table. For the border, where you want to give a border, select that cell. So I selected this cell, and if I click on the table, And if I click on this cell option and click table cell properties, from here you can make a lots of customization. So for the border, click on advanced. Below you will get the border style. So if I select the solid border and OK, and if I give an update and refresh here, you see this cell is showing the border, but rest of the cell are not showing the border. I want full table with border. For that, I have to select the full of the table, all of the cell. After selection, again I have to go the table and I have to click cell. I have to click cell properties and click on advanced and select the border solid, dotted, dashed, double. There is few other option. Whatever you want you can give. Like I want to give a dashed border. Previously it was solid border, so now I am showing the dashed border. After that, border color. If you want to customize the border color, just click here and select a border color, give OK. Background color. If you wish, you can give the background color from here, but right now I don't want to give any background color. Click on OK. After that, give a update and give a refresh here. You see it's showing the border dashed and with the color. So if you want solid border with the black color, just again select, again come to the table and cell table properties, click on advanced and select solid, give a OK and update. You see this is the border with solid and black color. So there's the way you can customize your classic editor table, and there has few other feature also. For example, if you want to make your top row as a header, so you have to select full top row. After that, click on table, then cell, table cell properties, and you will get here cell type. Just click here and make it header cell. So if I select the header cell and give OK, update this post and give a refresh here, you see right now it's selected as a header cell. There is lots of more customization option, just I am showing one by one. Which cell, which column, which row you want to customize, just you have to select that part. Or if you want to make this customization for full of the table, then select full table by dragging your mouse, then click on table and come to the table properties. If you want to give custom width, you can make it customize. If you want to give custom height, you can customize. Cell spacing, cell padding, border, alignment, come to the advanced option. So those are the feature. And if I come to the next option like cell or row, if you want to insert row before, just click here. It will insert as many row you selected, that number it will insert before the table. Or if you select the one row and click the row, insert row after, it will insert one row after. So as many row you will select or as many column you will select, that will insert that number. And if I come to the next option, you can see all of the option and you can use those option very easily one by one. So already I described how you can create a table in WordPress Gutenberg Block Editor and Classic Editor. And by following this tutorial, you can easily create the table. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.